Thank you for joining with us today. We'll be talking about the remaining types of sets, in which in my previous video I said that I will not mention all, but now I will mention the remaining ones. The remaining one, which is an equal set. What is an equal set? Sets are said to be equal if they contain the same members. The order of arrangement does not matter, but once they contain the same members, they are equal. Example, if you have set A, which is 2 3 1 4, then you have set B, which is 3 1 4 2. If you look at these two things, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, we have 3 here, we have 3 here, we have 1 here, we have 1 here, and we have 4 here, we have 4 here. So these two sets, they are said to be equal because they have the same number of elements, they have the same sets, they have the same members. Okay, then if you are to write it, we'll say that A is equal to B. This is the symbol or the notation for equality of set. For equality of set, this is the symbol or notation, this equal to sign. Okay, then I'll also be solving some examples in these set questions. Okay, we'll be having, let's say they are giving us, we should list the element of the following set, which is, they were being told to list prime numbers less than 40. Prime numbers less than 40 in A, question A. B, we have been told to list out factors of 12 greater than 3. Factors of 12 greater than 3. Then in C, let me say, okay, positive integers whose squares are less than 30. Positive integers whose squares are less than 30. Okay, let's say we have been asked these 3 questions. Don't forget, always write your solution to show that below is the solution to the question. Then for A, they say prime numbers less than 40. It's very simple. We just list out our prime numbers less than 40, meaning it will not be up to 40. Okay, so we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and 37. These are prime numbers less than 40. That is the answer for question A. Then for question B, they say factors of 12 greater than 3. Okay, factors of 12 greater than 3. Then we'll be having 4, 6, 12. Factors of 12 greater than 3. Then for question C, the positive integers whose squares are less than 30, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this is it. This is the answer to the question. This is the answer to the question. Thank you for sticking around. As I have explained this remaining type of set and solved a question here, please, if there is anything that you didn't understand or you did not understand, don't hesitate to comment, ask questions, and I will reply you. Thank you for sticking around. And please, if you find this video interesting, subscribe to it, like it, and comment to it. Thank you.